What I present to my audience on this channel is lots of different self-protection tools. Some self-defense tools require a lot of training. Some don't require as much training, even though training never hurts. We're going to look at a tool today that's going to give you a heavier fist and just more dangerous hands altogether. Stick around. 411 Outdoors is supported in part by Fisher Blades. Today we're going to be looking at some Kubotans, but I believe we're going to be looking at some of the best on the market. Now, I've covered this brand before, but this could be a part 2 to that video because I now have more of their product line in my possession. And that is the Selfy Sticks. Now, I covered 2 of these in one video. I've got 2 more to talk about in this video. Now, when you think about Selfy Stick, you think about the ability to take a picture of yourself. No, these are about protecting yourself. Last time we looked at this version of the Selfy Stick, which is the shorter one. It's 6 inches in length. It's got a striking point on both ends. It's very light. And we also looked at this one, longer version, but also very light as well. Today, we're going to be looking at the Distractor and the Spike. Both of these are really great. Now, the Distractor is very heavy. It's not very heavy, but it's a good amount of weight. It makes a very solid fist and it gives you heavier hands for a strike. And you also have a striking point on both ends. Out of all the Selfy Sticks, this one's my favorite because it's going to hurt more to get struck with either side, and it gives you a more solid fist. You're going to hit harder. This is the Spike. It's very thin and compact. You can move like lightning with it, and it's got a very acute point. You can strike with these and they're going to hurt real bad because you've got a lot of force coming in a small surface hitting vital areas, but you can also use these objects to push into the human body to manipulate the direction of your opponent. These are just designed so well. These are nice materials and you get an awesome grip because of the texture of these. I want to demonstrate something. These are not like a knife in the fact that you got to worry about your hands sliding down, but these have such a good grip texture. I'm going to hit a very hard surface here. My hand doesn't even slide. I'm going to put the link to the Selfy Sticks in the description. It also has a discount code. Now let's get into why this is especially a great self-protection tool. For one, a lot of people are not necessarily looking for a lethal option. Some people are really big on less than lethal, and I believe this appeals to that crowd heavily. And we all know that there are some scenarios where you need a less than lethal option. It's just also good for people who may not want to carry an edged tool. Enough talk, let's do some demonstrating. Today we're going to focus primarily on the Distractor and the Spike. The Distractor is going to be good for those who need more granite in their paw, need more power. Some people got pillow hands, some people got a weak punch. This will give more weight to your fist. Now, I'm already a hard puncher, but it doesn't hurt to be even a harder puncher. Without, that's pretty good power there. Now let's add the Distractor. I know that's not a real measure of whether or not this really adds more power to your fist, but I can tell you from experience, it feels good in the hand. It feels like it gives you a more solid fist. Your hand feels more weighty. Now I will tell you, Mike from Hard to Hurt did a really cool test on putting things in your fist. Some things added power, some things didn't. The guy that he was working with was talking about how much heavier his hands felt when he held a roll of quarters. Now the thing is, this is better than a roll of quarters because you can get your hand around it a lot better, but yet it's got good weight. Now also with the Distractor, you're getting so much more weight when you attack with a hammer fist, even with a ridge. You can feel it when you strike something. You can just feel the extra weight you're getting. You take that point, you put it right here, man, it's lights out. I mean, you even attack the other person's hands. You come down with the Distractor on a person's hands, you catch their hands, you strike their hands, you strike anything. You're coming down with so much force with this little area. This is my favorite of all the Selfy Sticks. Some Kubotans are light, they're not gonna feel good, but this extra added weight is going to make all the difference. Now the Distractor may be light, but you've got more tip to work with. It's gonna be easier to carry in the pocket as well. And it's not gonna feel good if it makes connection with any of these vital areas. Great tools to have in the arsenal if you're just looking for a blunt object that is gonna hurt. Something that could create space between you and another person, something that could give a little more power to your hands. You don't owe nobody an even fist fight. You don't owe anybody a fair fight. They shouldn't be trying to fight you. They shouldn't be trying to mess with you. And if they're going to put you in a bad situation, nothing wrong with some pocket-friendly equalization. Take care, my friend.